Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Deleting every email from a specific sender in Outlook is a quick way to clean up your inbox. You can do this in just a few seconds using the search bar or the sweep tool. First, open Outlook on your computer or in your web browser. Go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name or the email address of the person you want to remove. Press enter to see all the messages from that specific sender. Once the list appears, you need to select all of them at once. On a PC, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. If you are on a Mac, press Command and A, you will see all the emails highlighted in blue. Now, look for the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. Click it to move everything to your deleted items folder. If you are using the web version of Outlook, there is an even faster way called the sweep feature. Click on one email from the sender you want to block out. Look at the top menu and select the sweep button. A window will pop up with several options. Choose the option that says Move All Messages from the Inbox folder. Then, select the Deleted Items folder as the destination. Click OK to finish the process. To make sure these emails are gone forever, go to your Deleted Items folder. Right-click on the folder and select Empty Folder. This will permanently remove the clutter from your account. This method works for newsletters, coworkers, or any unwanted spam filling up your storage space.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.